Hello everyone, Nathan here from AlgoSPX. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to make a credit spread trade using the ThinkorSwim platform. Before we start, if anyone's new to the AlgoSPX channel, thanks for checking us out. If you want to learn a little more about the channel, check out this other video where we show you a live trade and explain some more about why what we do works. Quick background on what this channel is about. At AlgoSPX, we trade an options-based system. We trade SPX every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All of our trades start and expire on the same day, so this is what we call 0 DTE, or 0 days to expiration. In the case of the SPX, that happens to be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So those are the 3 days that we trade during the week. The AlgoSPX Discord channel is where we post all alerts, which means you can see the exact trades we make. Go ahead and check that out. Link's going to be in the description below. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make the kind of trades we alert in the Discord channel. Specifically, I'm going to show you how to make a 0 DTE credit spread trade using ThinkorSwim. First thing you need is access to the ThinkorSwim platform. We like to use the desktop version, so I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. Once you have that, you're going to go ahead and open up the ThinkorSwim platform and sign in with your account. Now, we will be using paper money here for the sake of this tutorial. Really quickly, if you're not already familiar with paper money is a virtual stock market simulator from TD Ameritrade. Paper money is basically the notion of trading pretend money to see what the outcome of your investment decisions actually might lead to. So paper money is to practice trading using the ThinkorSwim platform to make simulated trades. What I'm saying is, if you're new to options trading or the markets in general, paper money is a great way for you to learn everything with no risk. I'll leave a link in the description which takes you to the page so you can create an account and start practicing yourself. Alright, so with that out the way, let's get started. For this video, as I said earlier, we're going to make a 0 DTE credit spread trade on the SPX. So first of all, let's go to the Trade tab. Alright, and then go ahead and type in SPX and press enter. That should bring up a screen like this. And if your screen doesn't look like this, go ahead and click the option chain dropdown, which is right over here. Alright, so now you see a whole bunch of dates which correspond to expiration dates. We trade 0 days to expiration, which means we trade on the same day that the option expires. So today is the 4th of November. Go ahead and click the drop down for that day. Now you'll see here it says strikes and there's a drop down list. We're going to go ahead and click all. This gives you a glimpse of all the possible strike prices you can trade at. We're going to scroll down here to see the strikes that are closer to the money. Alright, so here's where it's important to be part of the AlgoSPX Discord channel, because we do post our alerts live and you'll know exactly what strikes you're looking for. So don't forget to check that out. Here we go. On the 4th, this is one of the trades we took and alerted in the Discord. So we want to sell the 35.15, 35.40 call credit spread. Now, people have their own way of initiating a credit spread trade. I'm going to show you my way, and it works for me. First thing, I like to find the first strike and go ahead and right-click the strike price of 35.15 in this case. Now, if you slide down to sell, since we specifically want to sell this call credit spread. Okay, now go ahead and click on vertical. So real quick, you chose to sell a vertical spread. This means you're creating an order which involves simultaneously buying and selling an option at different strikes expiring at the same time. Now, looking at these two rows, let's make some sense of this. What this is saying is you've created an order to sell a call at 35.15 and at the same time buy a call at 35.20. So let's stop real quick. You'll notice the second strike isn't 35.40. Go ahead and change this to 35.40 by clicking on the little white arrow in the strike column. Alright, so scroll to 35.40 and click that. At this point, you've created an order to sell the 35.15, 35.40 call credit spread, which we alerted in Discord. Pretty simple, right? To explain a little more some of the other values you see, the quantity is the number of contracts you're trading. And as we go down, you'll see you're trading for the option expiring today, the 4th of November. And that's what makes this a 0-day to expiration trade. Moving on, one of the most important things you need to look at here is to make sure under the price column you have a credit. Now, this number is the net credit you'll be receiving at the expiration of these options. It's important to note this because this is how you'll calculate the premium you'll receive when these options expire at the end of the day. Now, go ahead and click Confirm and Send. This dialog screen pops up showing you a whole bunch of information before you finalize and submit your trade. In our case, you'll see a max profit of $650 for this one trade if the option expires worthless at the end of the day, which we do expect it to do. The next row shows max loss. Again, not worried about this because the strategy we trade has such a high probability, we don't expect this to happen. So if we go ahead and click send here, that will finalize the trade, and that's it. You've made a 0-day to expiration credit spread trade. Now, I'm going to show you real quick if we had made just this one trade, what our gains for the day would be. So at the end of the trading day, with just this one trade made, we ended out the day with a max profit of $650. Not bad at all. So that's how you make a basic credit spread trade using ThinkorSwim. Before we go, I want to remind you to check out our other video where we talk a lot more in depth about how we trade and why we've been enjoying consistent gains. We'd love for you guys to be part of the AlgoSPX community, so come on over to the Discord channel. The link is going to be in the description below. I hope you were able to learn something, and if anyone has questions, go ahead and comment down below or message us on the Discord. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.